Hey, it's Mark Weiss. You know, a doctor makes a mistake. Office manager running a little scam on the side. Bills a federal healthcare program an extra $100 here, an extra $100 there. The shit hits the fan and who's in trouble? Well, the doctor is. Should have seen that coming and, well, I guess you should have seen that coming. But what if $580 million is missing? Well, I guess it all depends on who lost the money. An OIG report recently released, May 5, 2023, revealed that CMS itself overpaid psychotherapy claims during the COVID pandemic, which I think officially just ended a few days ago because, hey, well, sometimes the government moves slowly. They overpaid these claims due to what the OIG found were basically improper procedures and faulty work. Will anyone at the government have to pay back a penny? Well, no. Will anyone have to do some jail time? Well, no. But that doesn't mean that if you upcode, resulting in a $500 overpayment and you did it by mistake, that you're going to be so lucky. Some of you have to be careful out there. Others of you, well, you just work for the government.